Good Friday morning. So this is our last full day in California, which we're kind of sad about, but it's been a really good trip, and we're excited about today because we are going to Laguna Beach, and it was specifically Crescent Bay. We're really excited about it because we are hopefully going to get to snorkel some more, so that'll be some more cool videos, so stay tuned.
So I picked Crescent Bay because there's a lot of good reviews for snorkeling. It's either that or Shaw's Cove, I think, but they're all right there within the same area of Laguna Beach. But anyway, a lot of cliffs going off into the ocean where a bunch of fish and different sea
Dolphins.
You might see dolphins, they said, but there's a lot of cool stuff there, but we'll see what happens.
We ready?
So we've made it to Crescent Bay. It's like a cool little secret beach. Not really secret, but I only found it because I was looking for snorkeling places. Here we are. Nice and clear right around here. I'm gonna try to go snorkeling out here. Gotta stay away from the cliffs a little bit. Oh, big wave. Ah, that's cold. There's people out there scuba diving. It's gonna be lit. On the cliffs on this little cool beach in Laguna Beach. I just finished snorkeling, so the GoPro's still on the snorkel mask. Hopefully I have some pretty good footage for you. There's some cool. Right over here in this little circle part, I don't know, you see rocks all around it. That's where I was snorkeling. It's kind of a cool little, I don't know, underground cave. Not really a cave, but an underground mountain system going there. So it's pretty lit. There's a lot of fish down there. Hopefully I got them on camera. So we're here, still at Laguna Beach.
How pretty.
And we're on the other side. We were over there snorkeling, wanted to come see what's out here on this cliff. So I'll see what's over there and I'll let you know. Hey, so
Hey,
what do you think?
we're moving here tomorrow, so
Look at how
if anyone
blue and
actually
turquoise
thinks,
this water is.
if anyone actually thinks that we're coming back tomorrow after being here, you're wrong.
We're in a little cave dwelling. Not really a cave, but yeah, I would move here tomorrow.
We're not coming back.
Almost around the corner. And it's just more cliffs. Here comes the wifey. She didn't have her shoes. Little bike ride we're on the way to the beach.
Little bike accident happened.
I just had the chain break off and had to put it back on, but we're not. So it's our last morning here, and we're about to leave, head to the airport here shortly.
Yeah.
It's very sad.
Sad life. We don't want to come home.
But we have to, so.
It's inevitable.
It was a great trip, nonetheless. Here's all our crap getting packed.
We already have 4 suitcases in the car, so.
Yeah, so. All right. See you later.